Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add style page border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add style page border. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a draw text box. Now create a text box in full page. Now going to the add style page border. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for a shape outline. Now click for a widget option and click for 6pt. Then again click for shape outline. Now choose color. Then again shape outline option. Then click for a pattern option. Now choose pattern. Okay. That is. Then another style. Now going to the shape outline option. Now click for the pattern option. Then choose style. That is. Then we show add style page border in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.